Okay, thanks for joining us. This is your host Ivy from Telycam, and today I'm gonna unbox this TLC 100 EPTZ webcam for you. Okay, let's have a look what's inside with the package. Just be careful. Oh, here is the open sticker. Very well sealed. Okay, and just a kindly remind that when you want to take out the webcam and be careful, don't drop it down. Okay, so this on top of it, you can see there is a Type C cable. So this is the for the Type C port, and also this is the screw, so you can mount your webcam on the tripod or anywhere you like. And here is also the adapter from the Type C to Type A. So no matter what kind of port is on your laptop or your current device, you can just use this adapter. And a little Telecam QC pass. Of course, this is a user menu, so you can quick start your webcam. And to clarify, this webcam is actually a 4K 30 resolution and also supports 1080p 60. And for the 60 films per second, it's perfect for any live streamer. So you can see the picture will be very smooth. Okay, and here is the camera. Also to mention that this webcam is compatible with all kinds of control system, no matter it's Android, Windows, Apple, or Linux. Okay, so you can see this is the Type C port and the back of the webcam, so you can plug and play. If you don't have a Type C cable or it doesn't support this kind of port, you can use this adapter on your webcam. Like this, or you connect this side to your laptop and use this cable to connect to the webcam. And also here is the mount screw. So you can see there is a screw hole at the bottom of the webcam, so you can put it like this. Okay, and then you can just mount it on your monitor. Alright guys, now I'm gonna show you how to plug and play this 100 EPTC camera, okay? So first, let's use this USB Type-C cable to connect to our desktop. So I just already connect the USB cable to my computer and quick start. And now let's take off the lens cover. You can just put it on top of your monitor. Now let's add another video capture device to the OBS so you can see the performance of this webcam. So you can see this is a 8-degree FOV field of view, so it's quite wide here, and I actually really love the performance of how I look here. And also to show you the PDAF function, it's actually a fast focus function, and I can just demonstrate like this. This is the user menu. It's gonna very fast focus on it. If I push forward, you can see it doesn't need any time to focus. Okay, and the picture quality now is actually 4K. Alright, so that's today's unboxing video, so hope you like it and thanks for watching.